If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to APT video update. Alright, so we're actually touching the $19 department. The technical target is nearly pretty much met, and I do think there's a chance to actually make it all the way up to even $23 at the moment. Yesterday was a nice beautiful trade for me personally. I think I sold a little bit early, but that's okay. But I hate the fact that I missed this sort of the movement to the upside. That's pretty weird. Anyways, because I wasn't expecting it to happen in like one day, sometimes, but it's a good thing, take your profits. It was a good profit. I took it. I run away. It's okay. Fine. I was on a day trade. Fine. Amazing. Now what happens is the following. You're a little bit over pushed. You're a little bit overbought right now. There's still a technical target, $21. Now, sometimes you gotta be careful if the target are not met or not. For some weird reasons, I think it's just manipulation that they're not gonna give you the main target like this on a silver plate, and they can actually just take it all the way up to nearly $19 and then push it down. But one thing actually suggests that it's going to be a good thing that you're gonna actually come up here. The only thing I think that tells me you can even make it up to $23 is the daily. So let me go back into the daily, and I've actually been looking at the daily time frame for quite a while, and this is what's happening. So I'm just going to remove the drawings a little bit there, and let's start over again. So one can say that you made a little bit of a continuation pattern right over there. That's a bull flag, right? And this bull flag tells me that you're taking the top here to the bottom right there, and you're looking for a push all the way up to nearly $24, actually, not even $23. And that's an extended move all the way up to for a 27% move up. So basically that's the target that I'm looking forward to, because it is a technical target for a bull flag. Now from here, this is where I don't know, they want to continue pushing up like this, but this all the way I'm looking at it, it almost reminds me of how Solana used to do its movements back in the days. It's like how Solana was going parabolic from $1 all the way up to $250. That was incredible. Now a lot of people have discussions that, hey, we have a wick up here on a Binance chart, nearly $100 right over there. Now, for the caliber of a project that this is, maybe it can actually make it all the way up to even $100. If Bitcoin gets bullish, then Bitcoin can even push it, help it go up to $100. Now that's something that is an observation, not a confirmed thing. This is just a discussion. But what is actually on the chart is a bull flag and a $24. So this one with a, probably want to keep your stop losses somewhere that you don't lose this. Let's actually dive into the 4-hour time frame and check it out, because maybe the 4-hour time frame wants to make another bull flag, and you can actually end up making something like boom and boom, and come up here, make another flag like this, pop up, and then continue all the way up to there. So basically if you make something like that, you might put in a stop loss at 16.7 so that it can actually continue all the way up there. So that's pretty much it for this update right now on APT. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, office.